Calculate the mean median mode for the following set of numbers: 4.5, 5.6, 5.2, 4.9, 5.6, 6.7, 4.1. So first of all, we're just going to use the sort of analytic method, and then I'll show you how to use the GDC to do the same thing. So the mean, if we write as x bar, is the sum of x. That means add all these up and divide by the number of items. There's 7 items altogether. So x bar will be 4.5 plus 5.6 plus 5.2, and then so on, adding them all up and then dividing by 7. So we have to add those up using our calculator, divide by 7, and we get 36.6, is all those, divided by 7, and that gives me 5.22857, rounded off to 3 significant figures. That's 5.23 to 3 significant figures. You should try to write down whole calculator values and then round off. B, the median. The median is you put in order of size or ascending order and select the middle value. So writing them in order of size, so what I'm doing here is I'm ticking off as I write each one down. So 4.1, 4.5, 4.9, 5.2, 5.6, 5.6, 6.7. This one here is the middle value because there's 7 altogether. Look, there's 3 here and 3 here. So that's the middle value, so the median's actually 5.2. Now, if there was 8 items, then you'd have to take the middle 2 and divide by 2. And finally, the mode is the most common value. So if I take my set of numbers, I can see that 5.6 occurs twice, therefore the mode is equal to 5.6. Now I can do all this on my GDC. So going to my GDC, I'm just going to show you how to do it now. So go to my GDC. So when you turn the GDC on, it's like this. We need to select spreadsheet mode. Now you can either label the graph column X, or we can leave it as A, and then put in the values 4.5, 5.6, 5.2, 4.9, 5.6, 6.7, 4.1. Okay, I can see that I've entered in 7 values. Okay, I can just scroll back up, so just going to scroll up 4.1, 6.7, 5.6, 4.9, 5.2, 5.6, and 4.5. Now I select menu, number 4 statistics, and I'm going to do a stats calculation. I want one variable statistics. This one I'm just going to ignore. I'm just going to press OK, and I'm going to want the X list to be column A. Now I could select column X, it doesn't matter. We call it X, it doesn't really matter, or leave it as A. I'm just going to select X in this case. Each one of those occurs once, so in here this has to be 1. These 2 here, you're never going to actually use, so just leave them as blank. And in here, we want this will be the first available column where I can put the results, which is B. And then all I need to do is press OK, and then I get the results I want. This is the mean, this is the sum of adding them all up. Scrolling down, this is the number of items, and down here is the median, 5.2. So scrolling back up here, I can very easily write down that the mean is going to be 36.6 divided by 7, and that gives that answer there. So going back here, so these are screenshots of what I've just done. Okay, so I got the mean. It's the sum of x over n. You should always write down the formula. And it's 36.6 divided by 7, which is 5.23. This one here is the median, which I should have shown you before, so I'm just going to write down the median is 5.2, and the mode again will be 5.6. You just have to get it looking at the data. So this has been a video to show you how to find the mean median mode by a calculation and then use the calculator function to find the same result.